Let's get it. What are we on that slaughterhouse? Watch this shit. Bro, my head be whacking all on the ground and shit. They gotta fix that, bro. I don't like that. Give me a concussion early with it.
A shortcut.
I'm joked out, bro. I don't know where the hell I'm going right now. They didn't give me a concussion. My person confused. I'm running all over the place. Can I fucking move? Oh my goodness. This game needs to get fixed. Grab that. Oh, shit, I put some more ass with it, bro. Leatherface just can't get slammed no more. You just can't slam him, son. That's kind of crazy. I don't like that shit. I don't like that you can't slam Leatherface. Update me, please. Oh, give me that shit, baby. Let's get it. I'm gonna get right before I go up there. I don't trust them.
I lost them. Finally. God, these people are just freaks.
I'm gonna take a chance. Leatherface playing like that. Really? Game. We not doing this shit. We're not doing this shit. I don't give no shit, man. You know, just wait till y'all come jump me. That's cool.
This'll be sick.
That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's all you can do, son. That's all you could fucking do, bro. Just fucking jump my shit. That's all you could do. That shit is weak as fuck. Weak ass. That's what y'all get. You're fucking weak. Weak ass. That shit's sad as fuck. You wanna keep fucking jumping me. Come on, Johnny. You not good, gang. Y'all need each other for me. I promise you, you're gonna need each other for me, boy. I promise you that. Y'all need each other.
This'll do nicely.
Find me some fucking hills, man. Boys really over there. Come kill Danny. This shit's still not open.
All right, I got this. I'm good.
Oh shit.
Thank God.
And I got something open. I like to see that. I like to see that. Wanna see y'all got that Gucci, that Prada. Got some apparel. Come on, man.
Okay, that'll do it. Damn it! Everywhere I look, they're right here.
You serious? You really gonna stand right there? Chad, look at this dude. Look at this fucking dude. You weird as hell. Go play the fucking game. Y'all just hovering me. Go play the game. Fucking Anna damn near out the basement. I mean out the game and y'all following me the whole way. Like come on bro. Make it make sense. Playing weird for what? Bro, you weird. Bro, look at this shit. Look at this shit. Ain't no way y'all only focused on me. There is no way in hell. Come on, bro. Really? You really focused on me that bad? It's cool. I understand.
They left. Freaks.
I understand. It's like this gonna be a tough game for me. Every game be a goddamn tough game for me, to be honest. Fuck. Look at that. Teammates just enjoying their little self running through the map. Let Danny show himself his GG's. Not there either.
You need to just leave me alone. I don't see anybody. Okay.
There we go. There we go. The jump fest. They put their eyes on me. It's a jump fest now. There it go. There it go. Fucking jump fest. There we go. It's a real fucking jump fest.
Lost
Far from around here.
Looks clear.
Oh, I'm in this motherfucker. Let's see what I can do. Keep still. You know, I'm a fucking magnet, boy. They see me. Whole family coming. Damn. It's not looking too good.
It's quiet.
Give me a toolbox.
Quiet. You gotta be careful. This will make a great lockpick.
Fuck. Come on, bro. What makes you come back?
Gotta stay quiet. Gotta stay focused. My friends haven't run into these freaks. All right, I got this.
Whew. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's get her. Come on. They can't hold me. Come on. Make it back over there. Make it back over there. Y'all can't fucking hold me. Can't fucking hold me, nigga. Fuck you talking about? Y'all can't hold me.
God, I hope the others are okay. I can make this.
Too loud.
I can use that.
Damn.
Where's this go? Slow down. I need to stay quiet.
Let me tap that, big dog. Let me tap that. Appreciate you.
Thank God.
Danny.
Bro, get out of my way, bro. You geeking out, bro. Let me do the door. Let me do the door. Let me do the door.
It's stuck. Won't open.
Hold on, old lady. Taking all day. Come on, look how I do that. Let me open the door. Ladies first. Go die. That's how we do it. Alright, wait, let me check. It ain't nothing right there. But I can get that off here.
Come over here.
Alright. That motherfucker now right here. Ooh, look at them. Ooh, look at them.
I see them.
That's a fucking Johnny right there. Hold up. Come on, Johnny, relax. It ain't even gotta be all that for real though. That's why you out of stamina with your goof ass.
What's that? No. Slow down.
Hell no, you're not. Fuck out of here.
That's how that goes.
Oh, I done fucked up probably. Come on, I can do it. I can do it. I'm certified. I'm certified. I ain't never scared, daddy. I ain't never scared. Come on. I ain't never fucking scared. Give me this shit.
Leave this laying around.
What old man ass at? Alright, he inside. Cook, look at your goofy ass. Oh shit, go Johnny. Oh shit, go Johnny. You gotta respect cocky Johnny. Holy shit. Yo, old fucker. Come on. Yeah.
I got this.
Yeah.
I'm good.
Give me that. Give me that. Oh shit. Somebody coming. Damn, they want me dead.
Get away from me right now.
Jeez. Look at cocky Johnny.
Looks clear.
Jeez, cocky Johnny. Oh, cocky Johnny.
God, these people are just freaks.
Oh yeah, cocky Johnny. I ain't scared of your ass, no. I ain't scared of your ass. Watch this. Ankles. Ooh. Too fast for him. Shook him up. Come on, cocky Johnny. Got him right. Then look, Elton, so while you playing that bitch and it's nighttime, nigga, the game randomly turns off your flashlight. And bitch, anything can happen right after that flashlight turn back on. Straight anything, son. See, fat dude funny as hell, son. Nigga making retarded ass noises.
Can open those doors with this.
This shit.
There you are. We gotta stay alive.
Johnny ass on the way.
Okay, it's open.
Ooh, he was waiting right down the other side of the door. Come on now. Yeah. So you gotta play that Belgian with your face cam on, son, and just get your raw reaction, son. Playing something like that, son.
Hey, what's
Yeah,
that?
tank right there. That's good information. Give me that. Come on, hurry up.
Do nice.
Somebody come. Somebody got caught. Fucking thing. That is. That's in there. Okay, I can't do nothing about that.
Oh, that looks helpful.
We need to get some more study though. Not right there, old man. Good.
Oh, I recognize this.
I need to. Sheesh. That's quick and easy. What is how much you get for inspecting that? I ain't gonna count, man.
In time for supper.
Sheesh. Too fast for you. Sheesh. Not y'all angry at me. You ain't even gotta be like that for real. You ain't even gotta be like that for real. You ain't gotta. Oh yeah, that's me. That's me. I'm out of here. Come on. I played baseball all my life. Baseball all my life. Baseball all my life. Come on. That's what I'm talking about. That boy got his fucking face ate, bro. Hell no.
Thank God. Something I can actually use.
Let me grab that.
Connie, you're alive. They can't follow me so easily here.
Please, please.
Sheesh, give me all of that. I need to inspect all of that.
Come over here.
On what?
I have to find my boy.
Boy, shit, plunder, bro. Get this fucking dude out of here, man. Turn the game off, man. That bitch, yeah, that's his root. Somebody ban him, please. I thought that boy's coming from.
I bet I can use that.
Cook, fuck off, bro. Cook, you all up on me.
That's it. Tastes good, don't
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry I let you
Man, ain't no fucking way that shit be happening to me every time. It's like, what's the point of even jumping down if you still gonna get fucked up? Kinda fucking wild. Just fucking ask me. What the fuck? Bro, the game's selling me. The game is fucking selling me. The game is fucking selling me!
That looks helpful.
This shit's selling me. I'm scared to even stop and grab something.
I better grab it.
Oh, shit. She's still down here. What the fuck? Oh my god, she don't know nothing. Sheesh.
I don't think they saw me. Did they?
Alright, come on.
Get away from me right now. All right, I got this. I'm good.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
That's how it goes.
Come on. That's how we do that again. Come on. They can't hold me. They can't hold me, buddy. Watch out. I need to find some. No, that's not. I'm looking. Oh shit.
You need to just leave me alone.
Look, fuck off.
So gross.
Fuck off of me. Can't fucking stop me, boy.
Ain't so understanding.
Oh. Boy, she swinging from fucking. Boy. Oh.